Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih ke Jela ubak lakemen nembui ulai thu bakidan bon tili ki skul SSE ha ke Jela ki badan tang ar lani laingot ki khana skul katba katkum ka kendon ne bandan uwei uno hikai nak benta lai phongot ki khana ubak lakemen ula jubab ya kani halor ke jingkli balawan ra dak MLA ke Mahendraganj ke Dikanji di Shira ka bakwa bantip laki don ni em ki skul SSE ke baduna ya ka ar phongot ki khana katkum ka jingong menteri ki don khnai spa lai tili ki skul baduna ya ka ar phongot ki khana Bahkan top laispa kenai pesan teli ki primary bat sanspa prateli ki apa primary kinohikai ha ki primary baro ha Jela ki don praspa prangun kat bah ka apa primary ki don siaja praspa nyu pesangut bat baro ki don arhajan rispa prapu arngun haba jubab shishu ya ki jingkli benrom menteri long kat kem ka kendon belabu ka wei ke skul SSA kani banjengai kumba lai kilometer na ka wei pan Henry nakaliang ka MLA ka Kongres ke-8 pau ya ki jinglingo bah ki jaka nong kendong kidan hadu ar balai tili ki skul hapo ka 10 kilometer ba lakmen long ba ke Jela Meghalaya kadai ka babon tam ki skul bat kawalawan chakmat tam wat hakadong mingi ke India bat kani kala bandai ka dau jang jingtuna ki khana ha ki skul SSA hakawi geliang menteri long mag sarkar kan sabishar benya ru ban penyaso lang no bat kiwi ki skul Shimet ki badan arspa hadu laispa ngot ki khana skul ki bapuli lada dan kam.
According to the norms to open one SSA schools, whether it is UP school or LP school, how many students are required?
As per norm, the pupil-teachers ratio is 1:30, and the LP school should be within the vicinity of 1 kilometer, and the UP school is vicinity of 3 kilometer from the village.
Can I get the name of the schools and the number of students from all the districts?
It is a very exhaustive list. So even then, for SSA Primary School, Eastern Hills, Demlakang, total enrollment 4, number of teachers 2. Mupat, LP School, enrollment is 2. Number of teachers is 2. Thang East Hills, Thang Thung Ro, Sengkasi Thung Ro, SSA LP School 5 enrollment and number of teachers is 2. Ternyut, Reverend JJ M Nichols Roy, SSA LP School, total enrollment is 4, number of teachers is 3. In Maurangkeneng, Mauritiam, SSA LP School, 5, total enrollment is 5, number of teachers is 2. Menteng, SSA LP School, enrollment is 6, number of teachers is 2. Nonglankin, SSA LP School, enrollment is 6, a teacher is 2. Lawai, SSA LP School, Penusla, total enrollment is 5.
Mr. Speaker, sir, can I get it placed on the table of the House?
Yes.
This issue is a very serious matter of concern that like here in Shillong and the Tura, the parents are running pillar to post to find the schools for the admission of their children. But here in the SSS schools, many schools teachers are running from post to pillar to find the children to make admission in the schools. So it is very unfortunate that many of the schools the ratio, the number of teachers are more than the students. So this is mostly happen in the village level, sir. So may I know what's the real reason that why this is happened so, sir? Because ultimately the quality of the education is going down, sir. Because they just looks for just admission, not for the quality, sir. So may I know the reason, sir, why all this? It might be happening for so many years.
The reason is that there are so many LP schools in the state of Meghalaya compared with the other state of even in the northeastern India. So that's why there are so many schools. And moreover, at the time of setting off of this LP school, so the government is trying to reach to each and every corner of the state. So that's why they are trying to set up the school in that point. This may be one of the reasons.
So there are many government schools. I have raised this issue in the last assembly also. There are many government schools, government primary LP school, which is running with a single teacher, sir. And Even in my village, close to my village, there are 2-3 schools which is running with a single teacher having a more than 100 students. So may I know from the minister, sir, how many years, how many months will take that government is planning to placement of the teachers in the different schools, sir? How many, what's the timeline, so when this process could be finished, sir?
There is two issues here. This is SSA school. This SSA school is supported by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, and government LP school is supported by the government. And these two different schools. So that's why we are in the process how to rationalize whether we can integrate this, and that this is only the planning stage. I cannot say that what we can do. That is so we are looking into all the possibility how to do so that as I said before, that the resources which the government has invested for the benefit of the student, they really get the benefit as mandated.
To wait for the department to rationalize the placements of the teachers in such schools that have very low enrollment, perhaps it will take a lot of time. Can the department think of allowing the schools that are already aided under SSA with high enrollment? Can they seek additional teachers within the district if the enrollment is higher? If such applications can come from those schools with higher enrollment, perhaps the department can redeploy the teachers at a faster rate.
For the benefit of the member, of what we are primarily, this is not final, may I read some point which we are trying to do. In pursuant of the MHRD guideline to rationalize the school, the state government took steps for rationalization of small school due to the excess number of schools in the state and detection of the very low enrollment of some schools. Rationalization of small school will involve the following: A, exercise of GSI mapping of school to identify distance of small school with the nearby school as per the state neighborhood norm. B, participation of parents, teachers, local authority, children, and communities to improve the function of the school and better use of assets in the given context. Their support will be required not only for smooth uninterrupted completion of rationalized exercise, but also after the exercise is over, the result of the exercise is useful and relevant, which bring positive change for the community of children. To merge temporary close with the zero enrollment or by withdrawing a teacher from such school and deploy them into the school which deserve as per pupil-teachers ratio on a priority basis. It will not deprive even a single child access to school. At no point of the rational exercise, interest and confidence of the child would be placed in order of priority. The process of rationalization of small school will adhere to the neighborhood norm of the state.
So if the statement is long, it can be placed on the table of the House, sir?
But this is not final, sir. This is only the what we are thinking. So if you have any point regarding this, sir, I request the member kindly give us any suggestion so that we can input to us. We may add this so that at the time of transition we can do this.